شهد السيد الرئيس
President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi have witnessed the graduation ceremony of the third batch of the military academy in the new capital. The official spokesman for the presidency have stated that the president have inaugurated Al Safa Hall at the Egyptian Military Academy, and then he listened to a detailed elaboration over the establishment of this hall. The Egyptian Military Academy also have established different facilities to be provided for those who are attending different occasions, and also some ceremonies that are held in different sectors in the state, and it encompasses 1,026 square kilometers, and also a huge restaurant among its facilities, and a Western hall that is used as a theater for ceremonies, and also another hall that provide facilities for the theater. Also we have the main entrance hall that also receives 425 visitors, and also that main hall leads to an entrance that could be provided to the Safa Hall. And amongst the different activities of the ceremony, there was some Quran recitation, and that was followed by a speech by Director of the Military Academy, Major General Mohammed al-Turki, and other officials also inside the Military Academy. Also, there was also a documentary that relates the working hours of the preachers' course in full detail. Also, those preachers or those students have also had each his own speech that was later announced, followed the announcement of the graduates from the batch and the top dents. Also, the Minister of Endowments, Dr. Osama Al-Azhari, have also given a very important warm welcome speech to the President. He also pointed out to the continuous enforcement by the President to be able to enable building the Egyptian character on wisdom, tolerance, and nationalism, and to be physically and mentally also fit. The President in return have proposed for those 10 top graduates to pursue postgraduate studies so that they could be qualified for a scholarship